So your boy has to, I got to adjust the height of this car. Apparently that side is slightly higher than my driver's side. My driver's side is lower. I was looking at my splitter, I was like, yeah, something's off, like my height. But this one, that side I'm gonna just drop it down just a little bit lower. That side I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Perfect. I don't know if you can see that, but how low that is. And then come over to this side, it sits higher. So try to get that adjusted. All right, so I finally got the height readjusted. That side is fixed and it's level a lot better. I did work on my little vents. This looks way better than what I had it before. It was like screw holes in multiple different spots, but I got to sit it nice and flush. And I even redid that side. So that side only has 4 and one has 3. I was wondering what pullovers did I get. Rev 9 Street Performance 2. But yeah, those are the ones I have with the Rev 9 exhaust system, which it sounds pretty good. So I don't have any issues with that. As far as the drivability, it's actually, it handles very well. No complaints, and yeah, I gotta get ready to patch those holes up on my bumper. That's one of my next things to do. Replace my DRLs, and because apparently one day that I gotta replace my undershroud, because when I was driving once, undershroud, I don't know how, but it folded and I was scraping all the way through. Seeing it bended pretty bad. So yeah, that's what happened. It completely folded. I had to pull up the side of the road to try to take up my front bumper to bend it back. It just, I don't know, I can't even think of how it happened, but it happened. So I got to replace that as well. But that's one of the things. When I did all that, I had to reconnect my DRL on the passenger side, and I drove it on the highway and ruined it. And then the driver's side, the light went out. So yeah, that's what happened to those. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and run to the store. I don't know why. I don't know what's up with me. I always run to the store every single time. That's my favorite place to go. But I need to go get some eggs because I'm gonna have some breakfast. Next thing I need to do, let's change that headlight. So here's the replacement light bulb. I'm gonna get this in there. Surprisingly, I didn't have to jack up the car, so I'm able to get this in there. Alright, so I got the backing off. I just gotta pull that bulb out, and yeah, let's get this finished because I've been delaying it. I didn't want to do it. Finally got that one done. It's finally replaced. Looks like the other one. That's what it reminds me of. Man, I need to replace those lenses. I gotta find a day to drop my transmission because my clutch fluid looks pretty bad and it's starting to dip a little, which I still have a little bit of time, but I wanted to try to get that situation resolved sooner rather than later. Marquis from Advance Auto. I've been having issues with them. I've replaced it twice. The thing is, I have a lifetime warranty, but when you drive it the first time, okay, so alternator went out the first time. Second time, when I replaced it, after 6 months to a year, it went out again, and so I ran out the battery halfway to Dallas, and then I replaced it for the third time. Before I replaced this one, was every time I redline it, the RPM, not RPMs, the voltage meter would drop. So when I replaced it with this one, it was over the 14 volt, 14.2, and it's been doing fine. It's been holding up. There's no RPM drops, no brake light coming on, none of that stuff. But I have the AC going, and I have my car backing up for a little bit, and now it's dipping below, a little bit below that. But this is why it's important to go with the OEM factory. Yes, it's awesome. It's a lifetime, but it sucks because I don't like. You have to continue to go up underneath the car and doing this instead of it being just a simple fix and don't worry about it until it happens again. All right, everybody, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Until next time, hopefully next content would be better, but so far as the last few days, I've actually been in and out of the emergency vet with my dog, so it's not a lot of good things going on, but I'm still going to continue to try and put effort into it. But until next time, guys, peace.